When it comes to cooking at home, versatility, durability, and convenience are essential in choosing the right cookware. This SENSARTE Nonstick Grill Pan combines all three, making it an ideal addition to any kitchen. This 9.5-inch nonstick square grill pan is perfect for stovetop grilling, with its spacious cooking surface, high-quality ILAG nonstick coating, and user-friendly design. Whether you're looking to cook juicy steaks, crispy bacon, or grilled veggies, this pan ensures even cooking, easy cleanup, and delightful presentation. Here's an in-depth look at why this grill pan stands out. Why you should choose the SENSARTE Nonstick Grill Pan. The SENSARTE Nonstick Grill Pan is more than just a grill pan. It's a versatile cooking tool designed to make your kitchen experience easier, healthier, and more enjoyable. Here's a quick roundup of the top reasons this pan is worth considering. 1. Eco-friendly nonstick coating. Switzerland ILAG coating that's free from PFOA and PFOS, ensuring healthier cooking with minimal oil. 2. Sturdy, warp-resistant construction. Die-cast aluminum body with a magnetic stainless steel base that prevents warping and guarantees even heat distribution. 3. Versatile and spacious. 9.5-inch square shape perfect for a range of cooking techniques, from grilling to sautéing. 4. Perfect for all cooktops, compatible with gas, electric, induction, and ceramic stoves, making it suitable for any kitchen setup. 5. Raised ribs for grill marks. Achieve perfect grill marks while keeping fats in grooves, with easy drain pour spouts for a healthier cooking experience. The SENSARTE Nonstick Grill Pan features a premium Switzerland ILAG nonstick coating, making it possible to cook with minimal oil without worrying about food sticking. The coating is PFOA and PFOS-free, prioritizing health while still providing superior nonstick performance. Whether you're grilling veggies or searing meats, food glides smoothly off the pan's surface, making cooking easier and healthier. Cleanup is equally effortless. Just wipe with a paper towel or rinse with water, and it's ready for the next meal. Constructed from die-cast aluminum, this grill pan is both lightweight and durable, resisting warping or bending, even with frequent use. Unlike other grill pans that lose shape under high heat, the SENSARTE Nonstick Grill Pan retains its integrity, making it a reliable choice for everyday cooking. The pan's high magnetic conductive stainless steel base enhances its durability and also ensures quick, even heating on any cooktop, from gas to electric and induction. One of the SENSARTE Nonstick Grill Pan's standout features is its versatility. From sautéing to grilling, broiling, or even frying, this pan has it covered. The large 9.5-inch surface area and deep sides make it ideal for cooking family-sized portions, whether it's for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You can cook everything from steak and bacon to grilled cheese and veggies, ensuring every meal is packed with flavor. The bakelite handle on the SENSARTE Grill Pan is designed with comfort in mind. It's easy to grip and stays cool to the touch, allowing you to handle the pan confidently without worrying about burns. This ergonomic design ensures a safe and enjoyable cooking experience, especially when you're flipping, stirring, or transferring food. The SENSARTE Grill Pan's compatibility with various cooktops is a major plus. It works flawlessly on gas, electric, induction, and glass or ceramic stovetops. The pan's high magnetic conductive base allows heat to spread evenly across the entire cooking surface, preventing hot spots and ensuring that food cooks consistently. This feature is ideal for cooking delicate items like fish or veggies that require gentle, even heat to retain their texture and flavor. This grill pan adds more than just flavor, it also enhances presentation. The raised ribs on the surface create picture-perfect grill marks that make every dish look restaurant-worthy. Additionally, the design allows fats and oils to drain into grooves rather than pooling under the food, making it a healthier way to cook meats and other high-fat items. The pour spouts on either side of the pan make it easy to drain excess fats and liquids, so you can enjoy a lighter, healthier meal without compromising on taste. When investing in cookware, it's essential to choose a brand known for quality and customer satisfaction. SENSARTE is committed to providing reliable and durable kitchen products, and this grill pan is no exception. With its premium materials, thoughtful design, and non-stick performance, the SENSARTE Nonstick Grill Pan is built to withstand years of use while still delivering exceptional results every time. Who is the SENSARTE Nonstick Grill Pan for? This pan is perfect for anyone who enjoys cooking and wants to make healthier, more visually appealing meals without much hassle. Its non-stick surface and easy clean properties make it ideal for those with busy lifestyles who still want to cook at home. It's also a great choice for families, as the large cooking surface accommodates multiple servings. In conclusion, the ultimate grill pan for modern kitchens. The SENSARTE Nonstick Grill Pan delivers on all fronts: health, performance, durability, and style. With its premium ILAG non-stick coating, ergonomic handle, compatibility with all cooktops, and versatility in cooking styles, this pan meets the demands of the modern kitchen. It's an investment that will pay off in the form of delicious meals, easy cleanup, and reliable cooking performance for years to come. Ready to elevate your cooking game with a pan that can do it all? The SENSARTE Nonstick Grill Pan is a choice that brings flavor, health, and style into every meal. Try it out and experience the difference in your kitchen today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.